Seeing if anybody else has had this problem. I mowed my yard the other day. It was doing fine, and then I lowered this from 6 to 4, started it up again, and the motor seized up. When I click this button, click that, I get a solid green light and a clicking. So I'm assuming, since I have a solid green light down here, that this sensor that tells you if this is up in the correct position is currently working correctly. So I'm assuming whatever is wrong is either down here, probably the motor or a control board or something like that. So anybody else, if you know what's going on, please let me know. I already bought a new one because I don't think I'm fixing this guy. So yeah,